Que pasa, e-biker gang? Screwing around with the Stealth Bomber 5 kilowatt Enduro bike. The intention was to ride around for an hour or so, but this gizmo still requires maintenance and it's not safe to be on the road. Today a new issue was exposed. Throttle is not engaging at times. You can hear it knock, but won't accelerate. So this ride along was cut short, as I already had to walk home with this toy and it was not fun. Planning on doing basic troubleshooting like checking for loose wires, disconnecting cables and cleaning connectors, and maybe that'll do the trick. If not, then I see opportunity to modify the Stealth Bomber. It's already too tall for me as a rider, so maybe look into replacing the wheels with smaller ones so it's more comfy to ride.
Go gingerly on this one because the brakes are questionable.
Definitely going to change out the entire braking mechanism because I never heard of nut with double T's. Have any of you? The problem is our local bike shop is temporarily closed, so may take it to a motorcycle shop instead. We'll see, because I'm sure that's a pricey endeavor. In the meantime, continue to like and subscribe, as we'd love to have you, and you can see all our e-bikes of various power and miscellaneous hobbies we post on a weekly basis.
Wow, I really don't like these brakes.
Thank you very much indeed. You all stay well, stay safe, wear a helmet. Ciao, friends.
something else going on with this shit. It's starting to stall. Trying to sell this bike because I'm too short for it, and it's giving me problems every time I fix one. A new one arises. Trying to throttle it, but nothing's throttling. There we go. That's going to be a problem. You hear that, guys? That's me trying to throttle it, and it's not throttling. Going on with this shit. You know what? If all else fails, I'm just gonna buy a new motor hub and call it a day. Guys, I had planned for a longer ride, but unfortunately this thing is giving me too much shit and I don't want to get caught having to walk with this thing. That was the thing, man. I'm sorry I had to do that just before. be a good opportunity to change out these wheels because they're just way too tall for me.